Today I'm going to explain the third case to you. It's called Dativ. This is really simple to learn by heart, but you need to understand when to use it. And there are some rules. Hallo und moin! The first rule is you always use dative after certain verbs. And there is a list of verbs you can learn by heart, but if you just use them and learn the phrases, then you will also know when to use the dative. For example, geben, to give, helfen, to help, antworten, to answer, gratulieren, to congratulate, gehören, to belong. So here are some examples. Ich gebe dem Mann ein Buch. In this sentence we have ich as a subject, gebe, that's the verb, dem Mann, this is an object, and in this case we call it the dative object because that's the one that is getting something. So you say, instead of der Mann, you know it's a masculine word, you say dem Mann. You have to change it into dative. And then ein Buch. This is the accusative, but we won't talk about that today. That's another lesson. But just to know, after the verb geben, you have to use dative. And if it's der Mann, it's going to be dem Mann. If you're giving something to the woman, you say, ich gebe der Frau. So this is really strange because die for the feminine word is changing in dative to der. It's a different word. It has nothing to do with the masculine form. Now it's the female form in dative. So die becomes der. So ich gebe der Frau ein Buch. And if it's das Kind, it's the same like der Mann. Ich gebe dem Kind ein Buch. So this is nice. You just have to learn if it's der or das. I change it in dative to dem. And if it's die, I change it in dative to der. And the indefinite article is also changing. If it's masculine, it changes to einem. Ich gebe einem Mann ein Buch. And if it's das, ein Kind, you also change it to einem. Ich gebe einem Kind ein Buch. And if it's die, so it would be eine in the nominative, in the first case. But now it's the dative and you say, ich gebe einer Frau ein Buch. And you also use dative after certain prepositions like aus, bei, mit, von, zu. If you say, ich gehe aus dem Haus, it's das Haus. And now I have to change it because I'm going out of the house. Ich gehe aus dem Haus. If it's die Tür, you have to change it. Ich gehe aus der Tür. The preposition is quite good to know or to learn by heart. Okay, this is the preposition. After that one, I need dative. And then you have to think, okay, is it der, die, or das in the first case, nominative? And then you just need to change it. And if you want to do some exercises, you are more than welcome to go to my homepage, or you could also go to Patreon, and there you will find this explanation sheet and also exercises and the key. Hast es geschafft! Tschüss!